Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create TikTok business account. If you want to create TikTok account, you can check video link in the description. And let's move on to the video. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok, okay, and click on profile in the right bottom. And here you need to click on three bars on the top right. From here you need to click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on account. Here you need to click on switch to business account, click on next, and here you can see option of next. Click on that, click on next again, click on next, and here you need to choose your category. So I'm going to select clothing and accessories. Click on next again, and if you want you can add your email. So I want to skip this step, and your profile is complete. Create a video now, and if you want to create a video about your business, click on that. So I want to do it later, click on that. So you can see that your account is ready. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.